Hi, it's Doug talking about fire station maintenance within the Fire Department online software. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's home page. Your home page will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available within the Fire Department online software. From the menu bar, click on Administration. Then click on the Fire Stations button. All fire stations associated with your fire department is presented to you. This fire department currently has 3 fire stations. You can update a fire station by clicking on the button to the left of the fire station name. Notice there are no buttons in the delete column as there are in the update column. This is because there is equipment associated to each of the fire stations. We will add a new fire station versus updating an existing fire station by clicking on the Add Fire Station button. Before we add the new fire station, note the paragraph explaining that if you are adding a new fire station because your existing fire station is moving to a new location, it is better to update the information for the fire station that is moving than adding a new fire station. The reason for this is that if you add the fire station, then you will have to add all the equipment associated to the fire station versus just updating the address of the fire station's new location. I will only comment on fields that are not self-explanatory or where additional explanation is required. With the station number, we just want to show you that station numbers already used will not be shown in the drop-down list. Station numbers 1, 2, and 3 are not available as they are being used already by the other fire stations. What does primary fire station mean? If you click on the letter I beside the orange circle, you will receive a pop-up informing you that if you select this station as the primary station, then this station's address will be used for the fire status emails and on the firefighter application form. Why do we have the ability to have a different shipping address? Once again, if you click on the letter I inside the orange circle, you will receive a pop-up informing you that if you select a different shipping address, it will be used on the advanced cleaning form. This will help to have the bunker gear returned from advanced cleaning dropped at a location that is manned during normal business hours instead of the fire station where it might be empty because of a call, etc. After filling out all the necessary fields required for this fire station, click on the Add Fire Station button. We get a notification that our North Hall Fire Station was successfully added. Also, the main and station photos have been populated with default pictures of a fire station with the caption, "No fire station photo available, sample photo only." At this point, we can upload our own fire station photos to use. To upload your image for the main photo of the fire station, we click on the Choose File Location button under the current main image. Navigate to the location of your image on your device. Once the image is selected, the file name appears. If you select yes for Use Fire Station Name as Caption on Main Page, it means that the fire station name, in our case, North Hall, will appear on the image of the main or general public home page. Clicking on yes for same image for fire station photo means this photo will also be used on the station's home page of the general public section of the website. If you don't want to use the same photo, click on the No button. Now click on the Update Main Photo button. We now see our photo used for both the main and station photos. It is important to understand that any photo editing of your image on the upload is only for resizing the image based on where the image will be used. The resizing of your image will try to keep the aspect ratio of the photo, so if you have too much sky showing before the upload, then there will still be too much sky shown after the upload. It is best to get the images you want to use edited and resized by a third-party photo editing software. You can find free photo editing software on the web. That concludes the video on fire station maintenance from Fire Department Online. Thanks for watching.